open the Start menu and type gp-edit to access the Group Policy Editor. Once there, under User Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, then System, then Ctrl+Alt+Del options. On the right side, find Remove Task Manager, double-click it, and set it to Not Configured. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the editor and try opening the Task Manager again. It should now work without issues. If you have Windows Home and do not have access to the Group Policy Editor tool, you can make changes through the Windows Registry to restore access to Task Manager. First, open the Start menu, type Regedit, and run it as administrator. Then, navigate to the following path, also listed in the video description. HKEY_current_user, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then CurrentVersion, then Policies, then System. In the System key, find a value named DisableTaskMgr. If it doesn't exist, create it by right-clicking on System, then selecting New greater than D word, 32-bit value, and naming it DisableTaskMgr. Set the DisableTaskMgr value to 0 to enable the Task Manager. Finally, close the Registry Editor and restart your PC, or maybe it will work directly. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.